What is up, Prince Squad? I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a Photoshop tutorial on how I design t-shirts. So if you want to see what I design, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Okay, Prince Squad. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this Saints design right here. It's not a very complicated design. It's actually very simple, and you only need a couple of items to make this design. So we're going to jump right into it. Okay, first we're going to open Photoshop, and we're going to click on File, and we're going to click New, because we're going to start a new project. And the project is going to be 13 by 19 because that's the size that I like working with. So, you know, 300 resolution, leave everything else the same, and hit OK. And actually, I'm going to go ahead and save it to Saint 001. So that's Saint. Okay. And I always like to make it fit screen. So I'm going to click on View and Fit to Screen so that it'll be a close up. Okay. And I'm going to go over to my folder right quick, and I'm just going to show you guys what I have in my folder, the clip art that I will be using. Okay, right here, this is one of the items right here. You know, I'm just using this for the shape of Louisiana because I liked how that one was, and I'm going to be using a fleur-de-lis. So that's the two items that you need. Okay, so the first thing, I'm in Photoshop. I'm going to click on File and go down to Place Embed, and I'm going to find the folder that I need and go ahead and click on what I need. Okay, so I'm going to click on this Louisiana logo, and I'm going to place it. Okay, and once it's placed, I want to resize it slightly. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger and click on Enter to show that I'm done. Okay, now this next step, there's actually a couple of ways you can do. I'm on the right side. I'm going to click on Background to make the background disappear. So then you can either use the eraser tool to erase all the white, or you can use the magic wand tool. I'm going to use the eraser tool today, the magic eraser tool. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to click on delete. You know, I'm trying to delete this. Click on the white area, and once it does that, you know, you just click OK, and you will be able to erase. Give me just a moment. I think I don't have it on magic eraser. I have it on eraser tool, so I'm going to put it on magic eraser, and now I can delete all of the white area. Okay, so I have the white area gone. So the next thing I'm going to do is come over to the right side, and I'm going to click on the layer for this Louisiana logo. Right click on it and choose blending options, and then I'm going to go down to color overlay. Okay, so I click on color overlay, and the color that I need for this to be, because I ended up cutting this out using vinyl, I'm just going to do it in black. So click on color overlay, change it to black, and click OK and OK, and get out of it. Now I'm going to put my background back, so the background is back, and I'm going to do view and remove extras so that you guys can see everything better. So I'm going to click on save. I like to save my projects as I'm working on them, just in case anything happens, because for some reason lately Photoshop has been crashing a lot. So okay, the next thing I do is go to File, Place Embed, and now I have my fleur-de-lis, or you know, some people call it Saints logo, and I have it right here. Pull it in. I'm going to shrink it down by holding the shift and dragging it at the same time. Let me see. And then I'm going to take it and position it in the place that I want it to be. we're gonna look back at this other one just to for reference. So right here, as you see, it's kind of, it's a little part sticking out on the left and the right side. So I'm going to simulate that. So shrink it down slightly a bit more by holding shift and dragging and dropping. Okay, just resize it up just a little more, and let me see, and I have it twisted slightly. Let me see, I'm going to close out the ones I don't need. Okay, so as you see right here, it's slightly twisted upward, so I'm going to take this and twist it upward a little bit. Just twist it upward slightly, about there, and slide it over just a little bit, just like that, and hit enter. Okay, now as you see, this black part is gonna have to be deleted. I'm gonna pull the other one up just for reference so you can see right here. You can see that the black outline that's on the floor delete is going to have to be deleted so that it gets that, right here you can see that it has the let me zoom in on it for you. You can see that it has the black outline deleted right here. So that's all I'm going to do is take this black outline, go to the eraser tool, click on the black outline, hit OK, click on the black outline, delete it, and there it is right there. And the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and save this file. And now I'm going to create a new file. So new file. Okay, so then I'm going to go back here and I'm going to delete the background. This is the original design that I created, and I'm going to click save while I have the background not showing. So then I'm going to go back to my new file. I'm going to fit it on the screen, and I'm going to put the extras so I can use it to line it up. View extras. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to place embed the new file, the design I just created. Okay, so I have that right there. And now I'm going to take the magic eraser tool and I'm going to erase the inside of that right here. Erase the gold color. And once the gold color is erased, it's the shirt that I'm printing on I'm using a one color design. So this white, all the parts that are white are actually going to be the color of the shirt. So the next thing I would do, so I'm going to click on save and then final Saint, say that is final Saint, and okay. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to type in the word Saint in all caps. Okay, and I'm going to turn it black like the rest of my design, and I'm going to resize it by clicking on edit, free transform, resize it. And as you see, this is not the Saints logo font. So what I'm going to do is, I clicked on the wrong thing, delete that. I don't want to make a new layer. I'm going to select that, highlight it, and I'm going to go over to the fonts and I'm going to change it. Okay, so I have a font called NFL Saints, and I'm going to free transform and resize it into the size that I need right here, and make sure that it's centered with the design. So that's it right there. And I want to thicken up the font slightly. And I want it to be outside. you know, I'm going to do the stroke and I'm going to put it outside and thicken it up slightly, just like that. All right, so here is the Saints design. Let me view extras, take that away. Here's the Saints design, and hopefully you guys found this tutorial helpful. If you liked it, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed to the green and the red channel, go ahead and subscribe today. What are you waiting for? And be sure to click that notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of my future videos. And also follow me on Instagram and join the Print Squad group on Facebook. And if you're interested in any of the products or equipment that I use to print t-shirts, be sure to check down below this video for links. And I appreciate you guys watching. See you in the next video. Print Squad out.